Welcome back to Crypto Lodge. Welcome back to Dark Crypto Lodge. Give me a second here. All right. Welcome back to Crypto Lodge, the one of the few crypto channels that don't shill. And there's a lot of panic in the market right now. But this wedge here speaks for itself. There's nothing to worry about. Yes, we did come below it a little bit, but we also went above it a little bit. It's just lines on a chart, and we are heading in a great direction. A lower high does not look or feel good, and neither does a double top. A double top feels the same way. But we're on too short of a time frame to be looking at it like that. This is clearly a higher high. The candles closed higher, and that's what counts. Candle closed last time here. So clearly a higher high. Clearly a higher low. Right here. So that's what counts. And when Fantom heads up, it's going to something like $10. These are just lines on a chart. It'll break, and we'll do something. We're not going straight to $10. Any hoozle, everyone's pretty scared. I see a lot of buying opportunities, specifically Brush, which you can single stake, for I think it's 30% APR. I don't know what it is, but any APR is good APR on single stake over on PaintSwap.finance. We got Oath, which is Reaper Finance's coin. Oath is killing it. Where is it? Yeah, Oath has been killing it. Got a great chart. Check this out. It's very new. We have to put it on the 15. Look at this. Ain't that a beauty? Look at that. That's a new token for Reaper Farm. Super low market cap. Sure, it'll probably get dumped on, but it'll get picked back up. Good example of that is IB. Look at IB. Great performer. Look what happened here. This is why I'm grabbing IB today. IB dropped instantly. 16 hours, 35%. 20 hours, 40%. Next. This was quicker. In 12 hours, it dropped 56%. And this time, in 1 day and 4 hours, it dropped 45%. What I want to stress is that a lot of people think just because you went down 45%, that going back up, you make 45%. But no, watch this. The recovery on this, 118% in 1 day. That was the recovery on that drop. I remember that drop very clearly. So if history repeats itself on that, and that drop gets eaten up, if I don't know, if things play out right, there's a lot of big money. Look at the order books. Huge money is in the IB. $25,000 buy. And that was just 3 p.m. 2 hours ago. 3:30. Huge money. Any hoozle. Let's move on. We have G Scarab. I told you guys, Scarab is gonna make it. Scarab is going to make it. And make it, it did. It made an investment, it won big. Now it's the king. It really is the king now. Like I said, I called it on this channel. I said 2 shares and 2 ohm and 3 ohm shouldn't be talking to Harry. What happened? 2 of the best tomb forks ever that never ever went under peg just fell out the bottom after talking to Harry. Okay. Tomb. What's Tomb's peg at? Is Harry is he even bailing Tomb out anymore? No. 0.97. Look at 2 ohm. It's pitiful. 0.2? What? 0.3. Look at 3 ohm. It's probably 0.2, 0.1. Pitiful. 0.16. Let's look at based. Based is pegged to 1 tomb, which is clever, because tomb's always you get it. I throw money at based. I do. Every now and then. It serves you well. When the getting's good, based is good. The daily APR is always good. 3.28%. It's all about the entry and the 32 hours you get locked in. It's all about that entry and what's gonna happen in that next period of time. And that's I entered base at least 6 times, and every single time I entered, I made a couple X in just in 4 epochs. Or sometimes I let it sit longer. Even after my expiry was up, it was still printing and doing well, so I let it sit. So I can't say it always happened in 4 epochs, but yeah, I never lost on based. I like it. I never lost on 2 ohm or 3 ohm until they crashed, though. Jeez. Like, something that was worth a whole lot went to being worth not much at all. Just like G Scarab used to be worth a whole lot, then it weren't worth to being nothing at all. Now it's going up like 80% of the day again. I never lost faith in G. So Sin Spirit. I recommend you get you some Sin Spirit. I recommend you get yourself over to Solidex and put it in the Spirit, Sin Spirit. is the APY now. 1,000. It's going to be high all week. And next week it's going to be probably the same sort of high APY. As the money grows, look, this has 485 million in it. That's why it's only 8.4%. This has 1.4 million in it. That's why it's so high. Yeah, get yourself. Ooh, we're missing that pool. Yeah, it's not much. Actually, yeah, I sold all my XBoo because I was waiting to single stake it on OXDAO, but then I don't know. They need to launch, or it will burn. I don't know. I trust the devs, I guess. I'm on the fence with it. OXDAO. And veDAO too. Weave on the fence. Small allocations. Mostly USDC. Stay mostly USDC and you will sleep well. Okay. So I'm heavy in this pool. Turns out to be the best one, and I told you guys. If I had $1 million, I'd have thrown it on there. That was a sure. It's still a sure bet. All right. I bought Lava Fall, much like I bought Mario Brothers, but this time it's for a month. I'm selling the news on it. I might day trade it. Well, not day trade it, but swing trade it. Like, look at the one in 1 hour, it's up 21%. Same with Sin Spirit. 1 hour, it's up 31%, and it's in predictable movements too. See, but this is the 1 minute. So if you wait 5 minutes, you'll make a couple trades that are worth back to the upside. Like 3.7x. That's ridiculous. Ridiculous. I don't know what kind of orders you can actually get through, but that's some ridiculous swinging. Someone's making a killing there. Bots. And I would very much like it to be me and you. I like to see people make money. But as you can see there, that's why I drew the green lines, because I was trading it. Buy down here. Sell up here. But it does stay within this bound. And it did get cut down a good some percent recently. Not sure what to think about that. I mean, it's just normalizing. It's 1.4 million market cap, so it's meant to stay stable. That's all it's meant to do. Stay stable. Stay stable and earn passive income. If you go up, you go up, and so far it's up a lot. You know, the going rate was 8 cents. Now it's 12 cents. Okay. And it's going to go up, I'm sure, to unbelievably high numbers. Just like XBoo. I love XBoo. I would never hold just Boo. I would never hold just Boo. I would always trade it to XBoo. Why? Read the docs. Read it. Mirror World. Read the XBoo on the Spirit docs.spiritswap.com or finance. Yeah, docs.spookyswap.finance. Xboo. Pause the screen and take a look at that. Pause the screen, take a look at that. So what do you think? I think we got a winner. Here. Same with Sin Spirit. Read the Scarab docs on Sin Spirit. Let's go to Sin Spirit on Scarab. I just put a tiny bit, whatever I had left over after I put it in Solidex, I put it in Scarab, because right now Solidex is even Scarab, even the DAO is in this pool right here. But staking it here, you get a modest 20%. So I've been earning 17 cents in the past 20, not even 24 hours, with like $4 of principal. So I cannot say that that's bad. A 20% single stake APR on an asset that's going up like crazy. OXDAO, just show some APRs. Dropping like crazy on everybody. All we want is to see the APRs and for emissions to go live. OXDAO got the second largest emissions of the veNFT, which means they're getting solid whether they're giving it to us or not. They're getting emissions whether they're giving it to us or not. So they can take the jolly old time. It doesn't matter. So OXDAO is trying to beat Solidex. They're trying to be the yield out. They're trying to be the number one yield aggregator for Solidex. No, for Solid. Just like Solidex is right now, but veDAO is trying to do the same thing, but all they say, just spinning loading farms. Yeah, they're not loading farms yet either. Weave emissions were seized on February 17th to prepare for Solidly launch. Deposit your USDC Weave LP tokens into Solidex. So veDAO, who is a competitor of Solidex, is telling you to lock up your Weave and USDC into Solidex to earn Solid and SEX. All emissions have ceased. That tells me to, I don't know, it tells me to sell OX and VED and Weave. And tells me to buy the shit out of SEX. And to... Oh my god. That was 500% of FI. Why haven't I done this? Let's look at the Weave. Stable's better, right? Weave. USDC Weave volatile. Let's see, I want stable. It's not telling you how much. But it's 606. Stable. This Solid is giving good rewards. I've only been in it for a day. 24 hours, less than 24 hours. And, I really made a profit so far. So I'm letting it ride. And depending on how things are doing, I might jump around. But the most profitable, quote unquote, traders make the least amount of moves. It's true. Just wait. I don't mean just wait until tomorrow. I mean, give it 3 months. Forget about it for 3 months and go look at. If you believe in it, then you should be comfortable with letting it go for 3 months. Look how new Oath is. That is new. That's on the 1 hour. So Oath is it. Should probably buy more right now. Honestly, it's a token for a long-lasting, successful farm on Fantom. They have long not had a token. They've got nothing to do with the Grim hack. They have good APRs. I would not underestimate Oath. And I do not like let me pick one. Weave. I don't like Solidly taking over the bog swap. Look at the dip on Weave. Wow. That's got to be over 50%. No wonder shit's looking ugly. 63%. Now it's 53. And IB. Now it's a 36% drop on the day. That's the best one. This is the best one to buy for sure. I mean, just look at it. You can tell. Not financial advice. This channel is never financial advice. This is entertainment at best. Education at best. Comedy at its worst. But look how these dips get eaten up on IB. You think that's not going to happen again here? I'm buying it. I'm turning end of transmission. Sorry for hitting the mic. End of transmission. I wish you all luck in all of your trades. Do not take my advice on anything. Always do your own research. End of transmission. I like this dip.